Welcome to this episode of our Resin 3D printing test. Today, let's solve: is it possible to use third-party resins in combination with mainstream? Today's testing machine is a Phrozen 16K. We've chosen the Antinsky detail master in gray blue. Let's compare its texture and color with the original resin. We picked the closest match, gray blue, so you can see the results directly. Antinsky Detail Master resin is all about high precision. The precision can reach 0.02 mm, which can firmly hold the size of the printed model. The printing effect is also more accurate. See if it can withstand the test of the Phrozen 16K printer, and conduct a visual comparison. Use default parameters. Start printing. The printing parameters are correct and the machine does not report any errors. Check the final printed result. It can be seen that there is no significant difference in the printing effect of the beta version. The precision is also perfectly in line. So have you started to have some confidence in the third-party resin as well? Model testing. The details are perfect, the precision is up to standard, and there are no mistakes. Let's enjoy it together now. What other evaluations would you like to see? Send us and don't forget to like and follow our channel. See you next time!